Hello, I'm Uvajoram. I work for Nellions Moving and Relocations. Today I want us to learn something. I want us to learn on how we can clean our cookers at home. First of all, we are going to arrange the materials that we need to use while cleaning our cooker here.
Nellions. How to.
We are going to have bicarbonate soda. Other people will call it magadi, other people call it caustic soda. This is vinegar. We'll also use it while cleaning the cooker. I've put some of vinegar here because this one can spray and this one can't spray. We need to spray inside the oven. The process here, first of all, we need to make a paste of bicarbonate soda. Our bicarbonate soda is here. We are going to put it inside this jar. Then we are required to add some water inside. We need to make a thick paste of it so that we remove all the stains that are on our cooker. You can use a soft brush to clean the cooker because if you use a hard brush, it might end up scratching the cooker. So here in our case, we are going to use a towel or a cloth to clean our cooker. This is our cooker now. We are going to open, this is the oven cavity. We are going to open it nicely. Then we remove the oven locks. We are going to start with them. This is our caustic soda. We are going to apply the paste on it gently like this. We are going to do it gently like this. We are going to even put on this one. We can even clean the cooker glass, the down one, with the same bicarbonate. Now, when it comes to cleaning a cooker, it's not something that you're going to do at a glance. We'll have to, once we put the paste on the cooker, we are going to leave it. We are going to leave the paste to sit on the cooker overnight, or for like 12 hours. Then, we are required to wipe the cooker with a very clean towel again. We wipe the paste now, gently on the racks like this. Gently, we make sure that we wipe everywhere to remove all the stains. Now that we are using the bicarbonate soda, it makes sure that all the stains are gone like this. Then we are required to spray the vinegar inside the oven cavity like this. Now, as you can see, our cooker is spotless clean. Thank you so much. I hope you have learned something.
Move with Nellions. Remember to like, share, subscribe.